Boy, looking for exit liquidity, man. Get the fuck out of here. I don't need your pennies for exit liquidity. We just got in this bitch. We're gonna break down what I'm kind of looking at, but we're in kind of a little 2.5. We're just in a little 2.5. I'm looking. This ain't no short-term thing. I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking. I'm gonna show you what I'm thinking. It's probably gonna be a week, maybe two, if everything goes to plan. If not, who gives a fuck? We're trying to get to $1 million. We started with 100,000 or 130,000 or 150,000. I remember what we started with this count. It was 130 or 150. Traded it up to $500,000, and we got another $500,000 to go. So we're looking for fucking, I'm not looking to bunt the ball here. Looking for crack that shit out the park. Looking to snap some fucking necks. Looking to slap that ass. Back that ass up. Let me just butter it up and that type shit, you know what I'm saying? Trying to know what I'm saying? Hope everyone's doing good. Let me get some coffee here. I'll be right back. Coffee on the pot. Let me see here. We got to black the screen real quick. Blacken the screen. Blacken the screen. Nobody freak out. Nobody freak out. Today's he didn't mean to do that. Yes, sir. Oh man, what day is it today? It's Friday. It is Friday, folks. I'm gonna show you what's got me feeling good. Pencil necks are in the chat. I know it's a little bit rare that I'm on, a little bit rare that I've been in trades. I've been trading. Boy, when you got 2.5 on the line, you let me know how you feel. You'll never know how it feels. You know what I'm saying? Talking to the pencil necks, not most of y'all. Yes, sir. Feels like the first time you're on a Dime Piece Thoughts oil booty again. You gotta keep going. You gotta please this woman. You've done the work. You got the dime piece. Her ass is up right in front of your little booty stared at you. Are you gonna go, oh, or are you gonna fucking hold it down? And you know, you gotta get the cowboy hat on and break that bitch in. You gotta break that bitch. Just like you gotta break a horse. Like you gotta break a bull. You gotta break that bitch in. And then after that, you can two pump chump it. You gotta break it in the first time.
I tried to star 69 targets.
What am I talking about, bro? Horseman! The guy's name is Horseman! Oh my god. What the fuck? The guy's name is Horseman. Oh man. He says, what are you talking about? Horseman? You ain't no horseman. You never breaking in a thoroughbred from the first time, man. You ain't ever been to Texas then, man. Them mercenaries, horse-breaking mercenaries for hire. And they got a bad one. Them black horses. I had a black horse before when I was young. Two brown horses and a black one. And the black one was a bad horsey. Learn a lot about breaking a bitch in and breaking a horse in. It's the same damn thing. You gotta ride that shit. And they're gonna buck. CF has been binging Yellowstone. I have not, but yesterday I was told to watch that show. Motherfucker, I ain't drinking. But thanks for reminding me. My coffee should be almost ready. I will be right back.
I tried to star 69 targets. I tried to star 69 targets.
Alrighty, forgot to hit the start coffee button, so it's brewing now. Folks, welcome. Welcome. It's Friday. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you. You know, speaking of booty in the air, one-eyed booty's looking at you in the face. The 3-day. Something about this 3-day has been whispering to me. It's been whispering me the future for this past week. And I believe it has spoken. I believe it has spoken. And I want you to look at this. I mean, look at this. Coffee's ready. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back. We are back. I already had, well, I ordered 2 venti frou cappuccinos from Uber Eats Starbucks. They brought me 1. So I'm 1 deep. Had a little meeting this morning. So I'm definitely jiving. Got my homemade blueberry. Homemade blueberry. And I gotta be honest. I'm looking at this 3-day. I'm looking at this kind of 18K range, and then I'm measuring, what's my entry? Average entry is 16,814. Boom. Boom. In the 18s, damn near 10%. 10% of 2.5 mil, 250K. I would love to walk away with another 250K, which would put us at 750,000 from $130,000 beginning. Is it gonna happen? I don't know. I don't know, but we'll see. Probably gonna be in it for a minute. This is officially the macro trade account today. And I'm David Hunt. And today, I am David Hunt. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if David Hay from David Hay Today was gonna start making videos again. He's gonna pop up from MIA. It's Friday. We're talking big booty, oily booty. Almost forgot, I'm actually going on around the boob chain today. Around the booty chain. I think that happens in T-minus 2 or 3 hours. Be going on that show. Damn, his puppy's going up a little bit here, folks. It's coming up a little bit. I'm expecting to be. This is where the hike in the she candles come into play, baby. I'm telling you, it goes red and then it's green. It's been red. It's time for the green. We got the dual band strength index. Dual banding. Nice little 11 on the bull side. -1 on the bear. Decreasing bear strength. Increasing bull strength. Momentum is clipping. Momentum is clipping. On the 3-day, David Hay, we only have 4.5 hours left for confirmation on the momentum clipping. VWAP has broken over the 0 line. I'm hoping that the momentum line is broken. If we can see this, break this trend line. Hang on a second. If we can see this, I'm streaming. Leave me alone. Love you, but leave me alone. The momentum waves, if we can break this. If we can break this, that'd be nice. Money flow is coming up. We are in a bear trend. It's dangerous waters. It is dangerous waters. But you know, we've traded this account up from 130K to $500,000. We're going for $1 million, the 130K to $1 million challenge. It's been, what, a month and a half? It's been 6 weeks, plus or minus. A couple, a week or two. It's the new year. This is I think it's the first trade of the year. Technically, no, it's not. I was in a short for like a week holding a short, which ended up just doing nothing. I think I lost 13,000 on it or something. And equity's 49.1. So yeah, I took like a 13K hit. Just I got out of that. About I got out of it in time before any major damage, which it wouldn't be major damage. But I'm liking this 3-day, liking the 3-day. So I think we're gonna be in this bitch. We're gonna have to break her in. We're gonna have to break this pony. Charlie. Charlie, hello. Might have to be in this bitch for a while. It's probably going to be pencil necks. We have a forecast of a pencil neck heat wave, but they ain't as hot as us. We got that fire. Full moon today. Cancel it. Shut the trade down. Shut it down. Get this shit out of here. Get this fucking shit out. Ooh, let's not do that. I hope this doesn't fuck off my trade. Get rid of that. We ain't trying to add on that shit. Even 143 Bitcoin. 2.4, close enough. Cancer moon, the cancers do big things. We're looking for a big thing trade. I think, okay, Cancer moon, you could be totally making that shit up. But cancers like doing big things. We're going for a big trade. Cancers tend to have fat asses too, pretty sure of them. Pretty sure cancers have fat asses and do big things. So we're going for the big. Any opinion where the bottom could be? The bottom is ass up, booty hole looking us right in the face right now. It's oiled, it's polished, it's talking to it's going, what you gonna do to me, big boy? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? You gotta plug that shit up before it makes a stink!
Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. A scared man don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. A scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go on and put that trade in. A scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. You win some, you lose some. But you live to trade another day, live to make another play. Patience is a virtue, finna cash out any day. Stacked it to the ceiling, now I park my cars in valet. Move, bitch,
Get out the way.
Charging that shit like a bull. Call me Scotty Pippen, cause these pips, they keep my wallet full. Bank account on overflow. Now I'm down in Tokyo. Me and flopping groper stung the market like a Scorpio. Bullish like a rodeo. Feel like I hit the lottery.
Crypto face, man.
Already making history. Yep, you gon' remember me from trading pairs perfectly. My faith in market cipher B. double hump diversity. Why you trade nervously, adding to your misery. Go and take some notes, better yet, why don't you follow me? Stay tuned, I'ma let you see how I rake these millies in. Save this video and make a playlist, call it Bullish Trends. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. A scared man don't make no money. That's the way the game go. Gotta make investments if you wanna see your money grow. Scared man don't make no money. Go and put that money up. Invest it in yourself. Now you got your own checks and studs. Scared man don't make no money. Signed up a market site for lifetime membership. Now you at the dealership. Pulled off the lot in a futuristic spaceship. Paid it off immediately. That's what I call ownership. Scared to lose a stack. You might never make it back. Law of attraction. What you think is what you gonna track. All at a casino, scared gambling. Now you just got cracked. Can't go home broke. Heard you told your girl you got jacked. Butterflies in your stomach every time you wanna spin. Half scared, half courageous. Man, the two don't blend. All or nothing, pick a side. Let your heart be your guide. Heard you was indecisive. Need to learn to decide. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Scared money don't make no money. Don't be scared, make a move. Scared man don't make no money. You ain't got shit to lose. Scared money don't make no money. Go and put that trade in. Scared man don't make no money. It's time to get paid. Get paid.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As requested, we gave it to you. Your boy gives it to you. Nothing to ya. Hope everyone's having a good start to their Friday. We're feeling some type of way. I never liked that. I'm feeling some type of way. Well, how the fuck you feeling? Let's go, baby. We're feeling good. Booty in the air. Booty sweat. In that booty sweat. Booty sweat. Let's go. Kind of want to make a wild proposition. Like if I'm able to hit this 250 or 200K, I'm gonna give away $500. Split 5 different people. If you like, subscribe, retweet, repeat, and go fuck yourself. That's all you have to do. Followed by a dick-sucking thumbnail. You know, at the next conference where they have, an award ceremony, there should be an award for not having DST, and I guess maybe the best DST, but it's been, I don't know, what's it been, 8 years? I can't believe I've been doing this shit for almost a decade. Oh my God, let's go, baby. Exit liquidity? I'm exiting into my liquidity of the people, my people watching. I'm gonna dump on your ass. Get dumped on. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm exiting. Oh yeah. we will eventually dump on everybody else. We are a team here. We're a family. We're a crusade. Right on, Jeff Blazov. A family that watches YouTube together, I'm pretty sure stays together. Anytime that I've heard of a couple that like watches YouTube together, or a family that watches YouTube together, I'm pretty sure they've all been healthy families and relationships. I am digging. What are the numbers on the bottom and top? That's the dual band strength index, baby. It's Market Cipher, baby. Go to marketciphertrading.com. I'm digging this 3-day, man. I'm telling you, I've been having the premonitions on the 3-day. Been having premonitions the 2-day. Winding up. I'm loving, well, I'm not loving, but I'm copacetic. I'm comme ci, comme ça. With the momentum right now on the 2D. Got a nice little anchor to the trigger wave. I believe that we can crack this and get a little higher momentum, I believe. Look at these. That's another thing. On the few time frames, the RSIs, both of our RSIs are nice, tightly conjoined. You know, even look when they come together right here. I mean, this price went up to 18,000. I think it can do it again. And this time we have a mama turtle money flow to a baby turtle money flow. This momentum came up for the first time, dipped back down. I think she might have another run. Guys, I'm kind of bullish right now. What can I say? Yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay. 500. We got a $500,000 down on the margin. We're pumped. We're leveraged to 2.5 million. The nuts are on the table. Our cards are on the table. We're playing our fucking hand. Separate the boy from the man. Time to separate the boy from the man. Or the girl from the woe man. Y'all fucking saw the stream. We were $10 away from price. I don't want to hear nobody bitching. Stream started when it was $10 away from the price. Bear shifts on the hourly. Yeah, let's talk about this. First off, I'm not really paying much attention to the lower time frames, but since you mention it, we had momentum come up and then it took a downturn, which did price, and we have a reset. This is a resetting momentum wave here. Got your BitBoy green dot right here. And I think this is going to be the butt of the gun. We have green RSIs right here. The price did come down. Your money flow came up, was coming down. You had your trigger waves. Price came down. It came down. But now it's resetting. I think it's resetting. And it's time for a new pattern. So, price did come down. Your blood diamond price came down. You got your big boy green dot momentum clip. Now it's price up time. What about ETH? I'm sure it's doing the same. Sure it's doing fine. What is this percentage? Yeah, I'm just all in on the Bitcoin. I'm sure ETH, you could probably make you can do it with ETH too. Same shit. Probably make a little more with ETH, a little more volatile. We're playing with big boy money here. Play for keeps here on the CF channel. We ain't talking no, this ain't no fast talking. This ain't no fast talking bullshit. Let's look at coin market cap and then look at the fucking RSI, head and shoulders. Here's the triangle. Here's the bullish and bearish and sideways scenario. Charlie!
I tried to start 69 diamonds.
Well, we have our bullish scenario, then we're gonna go over the bearish scenario. Okay? Listen, guys, you're gonna have our bullish scenario that goes up to here, and the bearish scenario go down here. I told you last week there was a bullish and bearish scenario, and fuck, I was wrong about both. I went sideways.
You know who I'm speaking of. I'm not talking about anyone in particular. I'm talking about everybody. Everybody else out there. Trust me. I don't. You guys are throwing out names in the chat. You're probably right. I haven't watched. I don't watch anybody. I watch very few. Very few. But I've been doing this shit for almost 8 years now. I've been there. I've seen it. I've been it. I've seen it. All right, here we go, baby. Let's go. 1,700 viewers. Come on, man. We got to get back up to the 2K. Not gonna lie, we haven't been making as many videos. Haven't been fucking streaming. Our stream's been at 1,000 viewers. When I do stream, it's been at midnight and in the morning and 3 a.m. It'd be nice to hit 2K viewers again. What's up, Wolves? Never seen you before, but you got a check mark there, so you have at least 100K subs. What kind of channel is Wolves? We're gonna guess. I'm gonna guess and say that Wolves is... Okay. I'm thinking Wolves is one of two types of channels. I'm probably horribly wrong. I'm gonna say it's like a sneaker review channel or some Fortnite shit. We're gonna find out right now. Let's look it up. Wolves. Videos. Call of Duty. Oh my god, I'm so close, yo. I was so fucking close, dude. Damn, I was close. Yo, I was close as fuck. I was close as fuck. He's got some different shit on here. Welcome to the channel, bro. I was close as fuck. Never seen you before, bro. Listen, I'm just good at this shit. I don't know. I ain't never seen you before. I'm pretty sure that listen. And I'm not bullshitting. I believe I am slightly telepathic when it comes to electric shit in like the television. It just happened to me yesterday. I thought of the most random fucking movie. This happens to me all the time. I think of the most random shit or random TV show or movie. And later on that day, it's some movie I haven't seen or even seen in like years, and it's like, oh, that shit's there. Damn, baby, we're at 16.95. We're almost at 7. We're already at 20K. We just got to do this 10 times more within the next week or two. Technically, I was half wrong. I mean, I said the sneaker thing first. I said sneaker review channel. That was a long shot. But it would have been sick if I landed that one. probably have some cool sneakers. I'm 100% sure you're into sneakers. I know that for a fact. You probably got a nice little collection of some like Air Jordans and shit like that. You probably got some Mellows or some shit from back in the day. Some Iversons or some shit. There ain't no reason for no pumps, man. It just is, bro. Man, are you really gonna be asking me to look at shitcoin charts? You know what? I think we'll make an exception today. I'm David Hay, and today we're gonna look at shitcoins, Algorand, the metaverse shitcoins. I know shitcoiners have been having a tough time lately. And by lately, I mean for the past year. I'm Shmee. I'm Shmee. So I've never invested in a shitcoin. I've never invested in any coin. I ain't married to this shit. You invest in real estate. You invest in relationships. You invest in yourself. Investing anyways, if you're just joining us, let's see. That was 14 bars. We are 5 bars deep. So, in theory, yeah, this lines up to me. Yes, this makes sense to me. How long was this? 34 days, and it has been, it should be like 24 days. Yep, 23 days. It's been 23 days. Yeah, I'm thinking a week, 2 weeks. I'm thinking a week, 2 weeks. It's the 3-day that's been calling my name. The 3-day has been calling my name. Wow, time flies. We don't have much time left together today. We don't have much time left. We got like an hour and a half, and then the show is going to be over. Hour and a half or sooner. Going on around the poop chain today on the Bit Boy channel. Let's go, baby! Let's go! It's Friday, you know what that means? We ain't trying to talk, we just trying to... Let's go, let's get that 17! Where's our Spidey lines at? Ooh, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly. We're like Earthworm Jim in this bitch. Whoa, Nelly. Beautiful DBSI, a little bit of a hiccup here, but beautiful. A little bit of a stutter. But I'm digging this doji. Even the 5-day looks like it might have something. This is playing tricks on me. I will say, there's been a lot of bearish news, bearish things, Silvergate and Poo Poo Platter, and all this shit. But price hasn't gone down more. It's interesting. Surely. I think too many people were on board my original idea, which was shit was gonna hit the fan here. Maybe not yet. Probably after this. Who the fuck knows? Who cares? In the wise words of the real Satoshi, Dr. Craig Wright, I don't care. I'd like to get him on for an interview. He's been a couple times where I was going to comment on his Twitter and be like, "Yo, who do I email to get a hold of you for an interview?" Man, I would love to have him on an interview. Haven't heard about Justin Sun. He was just on our channel a week or two ago. What about him? It's gonna dump. Hell, maybe. We're in this for a week, I'm thinking. How do I think the uranium market's gonna be? I don't fucking know, but I can tell you about Uranus. That's going straight up in the air. Tron took a little dump. Let's take a look. Been performing better than everything else for a year, so looks like it bounced back. He didn't lay off people. He's moving his. I saw that. Everyone has their job in Singapore, and they have to wait a month. I'm pretty sure he's just moving the company to Singapore, which pretty much everyone has done. Bybit did it. I don't care if you think I'm dumb or smart. I don't care. The only thing I care about. Never mind. Listen, the only thing I care about is cash, that ass, and you people. I remember what I was gonna do. Oh my lordy, let's go. Folks. Folks. Let's fucking go. It's Friday. What did I tell you in the beginning? It's fucking... That little booties, the little booties saying, what you gonna do? You gonna plug me up or what? You put the work in. You got her ass up, oiled, and she's bent over. You complimented her. You dealt with the bullshit you didn't feel like listening to. You paid for the dinner. Now you gotta treat her like shit because you're in the sack. And by I just mean while you're in the sack. That's all I'm saying. Then after that, you can be a two-pump chump. But for the new year, for the first one, it's gotta be a banger. That's why we're coming in hot. We're coming in hot. We're coming in hot. What's up, Mike? Let's go. There's our boy. Speaking of coming in hot, our boy. Man, we have to thank Platinum Mike Perry for sticking with us. We are not just undefeated, but we're always victorious. Looking forward to these. We know we've got some big fucking things coming this year, folks. I can't wait. Mike Perry's got some big fucking things. You know, this community resonates with his motherfucking ass. Of the people, by the people. You don't have to have a stick up your ass in order to trade like these motherfuckers you see fucking on YouTube fast talking with all their equations and bullshit. Gold, it's not over two. There's nothing to look at, bro. There's nothing to look at with gold, bro. I even said we'd look at fucking shitcoin, so I'm surprised no one's even saying anything. The Dixie. Oh my God, let's fucking go, baby. Let's go.
Wir passen uns irgendeinem komischen Gesetz an, irgendeiner komischen Gesellschaft.
Fuck the lotto. That stupid ass Samo coin too. I bought that shit at the top. It's done nothing but dump. I've even tried reaching out to the guy on Twitter. I told him I had a Samoyed and said fucking who I was and I'd want to talk with me and say shit. It's a fucking scam.
Immer wieder dieselben Vorschriften, immer wieder dieselben Aufgaben.
Stupid ass dog coins.
Es ist immer
I'm never investing in a fucking I'm never buying a dog coin again. Dog shit.
ganze Scheiße vergessen.
Look at this thumbnail, dude. I can't get over this fucking. Oh, fuck. Goddamn. That's about to be you and me, baby. Tell you what, if we see $40,000 unrealized by what time is it? We don't have much time. We have to be on around the blockchain in less than 2 hours. We got an hour to an hour and a half left in the stream at most. If we see 40,000 unrealized, you know, I'll even say 35. We, dear Jesus, will give $10,000 to the soldiers, families, wounded soldiers, and the children cancer family. You know, I was thinking, last night I was thinking about cash flow. And, man, I tell you, I've mentioned it before here, but there is one stock that's been calling my name, whispering to me. Oh my God, I knew I should have. Oh my God. I'm thinking Coca-Cola pays an annual 2.8% per year, I think. Let me look it up. Annual dividend. Annual dividend yields 2.77% from Coca-Cola, a company that has done nothing but gone up and to the right forever, no matter what. And when it comes down, they increase their dividend. Coca-Cola's dividend has increased basically forever as well. That means if I or you put $1 million, if you buy $1 million worth of Coca-Cola and they pay 2.77% dividend a year, that's almost $30,000 a year. So the question is, how much Coke do I gotta buy to get high? I mean, to fucking not have to do anything for the rest of my life and cover my bills. Is it $3 million? That's a 27.7. Oh, it's 27,000. Times 3. $3 million will get you $83,000 a year. The problem is capital gains taxes then fucks you and tries to take 40%. So, yeah, that really fucks you over. Times 0.6. Let's do 83. God, man, dude, capital gains is so gay. So $3 million, not including the stock, year over date, YTD, the YTD annual growth rate percentage. 2022 say the same since. Let's see. What is this median? 2000. What year is it? 2023. So 10 years. Let's go back to 2013. 2013, the price at Coke was $66. Oh my God. In 2013, it was $66. And now the stock is worth $500. If 10 years ago you put $1 million, if you bought $1 million worth of Coke, it would be worth damn near 10 times that, 8 times that. So you'd have $8 million plus the year-over-year annual dividend rate. You'd be living good. So I'm telling you, I've been looking at Coca-Cola, man. I'm thinking, fuck real estate and having tenants and problems and buying dishwashers. I'm thinking Coke.
Get ready for the trap.
What about before that? What about 10 years, 1993? 1993. It was $26. And then the 2003, it was $51. It doubled. And then from 2003 to 2013, it went up like to 20%. Man, it just took. So, Coke's been calling my name, man. I think they pay dividends, and I mean, this is just a winner in my book. This just looks like a winner, and so I'm thinking about doing a Charlie and going ham into it. Thoughts, reactions? Why buy Coke? Buy property. Bro, it ain't property. Ain't that property? Ain't liquid, dude. Property ain't liquid. There's a million times I do own property, bro. But listen, I also want to have to micromanage. It's more than that, dude. Listen, I'm not saying the only thing I'm gonna be doing is fucking buying Coke.
Get ready for the trap.
When will I take my first profits? I don't know, bro. But listen, this ain't a short-term trade. Listen, the price is probably gonna come all the way back down again. I'm looking to be in this trade, number one, hoping this momentum trend breaks. If we get a new high on momentum right here. Okay. So we've had this momentum wave trend. If it breaks down and I lose my ass, that would suck huge balls. But we have money flow coming back up. The RSI's up, been low. We have our nice little anchor to the trigger wave right there, which has been happening. We got the butt of the gun with the big boy green dots right here. She's been loading up. If we can see this blue wave, which by the way has 3.5 hours on a 3-day candle, about to close in 3.5 hours. We're about to have a new candle in 3.5 hours, which will solidify this proposition. If this momentum wave can come up and just be a teeny weeny bit higher than this wave, that would be very exciting. Taking a look at the hike and ashies. We're going back to our trade roots. The hike and ashies was my first breakthrough in trading, getting off these shit candles that give you heart palpitations. Hike and ashies were created by the same Japanese ancestral bloodline that created the standard candle, what you are looking at this moment. And it is that bloodline that worked with their grandfather and young. Something we should all learn from. Hike and standard candles were created by the old chaps. And then it was the young Japanese that were born from the balls of those men. Then they worked together with their grandpa, young man, and grandpa, and they birthed hike and ashi candles. And if you talk to one of the Japanese ancestral bloodline Dominicans that created these candles, they will tell you they prefer hike and ashies. And you can see why. It is easier to identify patterns. Right here, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green. Then you have your red, and now we have 1, 2 green, 3, 4, 5 question mark. So I'm holding this bitch. I ain't looking for no short-term shit right now. We're happy with the price action right now. Yippee-okay-yay, everyone's happy. The fact of the matter is we're most likely I'm not going to cry sour if the price comes back down to my entry. Hopefully it doesn't. It'd be nice to stay green, have this cushion the whole way. Either way. Really not paying attention to short time frames. Although I will tell you, as far as if there is something to be concerned of, to be honest, the Dixie, but the Dixie can go up and have Bitcoin's price go up as well. It just happened the other week. It just happened. In fact.
Program. Trust. Program.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, listen, you can't tell me that this is exactly, you can't tell me that Dixie and Bitcoin are exactly inverse, so it would be totally inverse this. So I believe the Dixie and Bitcoin can separate. I believe they can separate. Okay, I just got emailed the Around the Poop Chain topics today. Ooh, these are good ones. These are good ones. These are good ones. Huh. Okay, let's do some research. I don't want to spoil the topics today. I'm sure you guys can guess at least one of them. This one I definitely need to research because I don't know shit about it. Interesting. Wow, this is very interesting. I might actually be able to, interesting. Nice little curvature here. Nice little curvature there. Still don't look that pretty, but you know, we've all, never mind. And 2.5K. Right, boy. Glad you took profits, man. 2,500 richer. You can't complain about that. Gonna get some fresh air. Peace, Shawnee B. Peace. Oh, boo fucking who? If Justin's son laid off some people. What company had to lay off some people? I'm pretty sure he's just moving from China to Singapore like everyone does. You know, I tell you, we Westerners hate on Justin Sun and CZ literally just because they're fucking Asian. But y'all loved McCleskey. You guys loved you guys loved fucking Celsius McCleskey. He robbed you. All of you loved Bitch Tits from FTX. He robbed you. You didn't see me saying anything good about those guys or telling you to invest in any of those guys ever. Yet these Chinese keep doing good ass shit, and you guys are hating. You guys are fucking hating. Oh, boo hoo! They had to lay off some people, and they're moving because they're moving. Boo fucking hoo! If it wasn't for the Chinese, you guys wouldn't even have crypto. You guys wouldn't even have crypto. Yeah, the Dinglefos twins. They're about to rob everyone. They're about to shut their shit too, probably. They partnered with what's her face. They robbed you. Winklevoss twins fucking robbed you. Voyager. I don't know anything about them. Probably white people. David Hay. White people. You guys love David Hay. Never thought I'd say something on Binance US is the best it ever made. Man, Binance ain't fucking around. Voyager Stephen Elrich sounds like Klaus Schwab. That's a white person. And listen, I ain't one to say nothing about no racism shit, none of that shit. You gotta never hear me say any of that shit. I'm just saying. Richard Hart, white person. Arthur Hayes, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. All right, go. We ain't going there, buddy. We ain't going there. I see what you're trying to do there. Right? Do Kwon, I don't think he's Chinese. Yeah, I think he's American. Acts like a white. Do Kwon's white, dude. The white people claim Do Kwon. Listen, I'm not saying that there is no Asian scammers, but I'm just saying, you know. Michael Saylor, you ever been to a steel factory? He told you to mortgage your house. Oh. Yeah, Do Kwon, that sounds Korean for sure. Man, the Chinese know how to have a good time too. I'm telling you. In fact, this year, definitely gonna have to go to Singapore. Say hi to some old friends. Was just shooting the shit with never mind. But yeah, we gotta do an Asia trip this year again. Going to Singapore, man. I'd love to go to Japan, but But apparently, man, Japan is having a little Yakuza problem again. Pretty sure the Yakuza have made a big comeback. I need a samurai sword. I still that's one thing on the list that I really want. I want a real fucking samurai Hattori Hanzo sword. And it doesn't necessarily have to be made for me, although I would prefer that. I'll take one that's already made just from a bad motherfucker. But I really want a real one-of-a-kind 100-timed layered fucking samurai sword. Oh man, I want that so bad. With that shiny fucking whatever it is they make the cases out of, the sheaths. Just to hear that click, that. And I'm gonna cut my fucking watermelon with it. I'm gonna slice some chicken breast with it. I'm gonna slice a turkey. I'm gonna chop water bottles and shit. Getting old before they don't make Damascus, and they don't make real Damascus anymore. There's gotta be, I mean, obviously, like, I don't want something factory made. I need to find a little Asian man in a little corner in a little hut that pops out of the ground who's retired. I need to find a guy who's retired. Yeah, I know. I haven't showed the Masked David guy tongue to me yet. It's bad as fuck. Do I know Tyrell Knife Works on YouTube that forges custom swords? No, but I will look at Tyrell Knife Works. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, this guy looks like he makes some pretty sweet stuff here. I would like to have the Japanese spirit preferably in my soul. Yeah. Yeah, I'm liking looking at the Sig Sauer, I'm liking both of our RSIs. It's tighten up. Tighten it up. Tighten up. Tighten up. Digging the Sig Sauer. Wire money flipping a little flat, but coming to the upside. Might not be much money, but the money that there is has been slowly leaking in. So we're gonna be in this one for a while. Hopefully it works out. It would be nice to have the opening New Year banger fun. Wow, time is flying, man. I felt like it was just 10 minutes ago. I looked at the clock and it's been 50 minutes since I last looked at the clock. Time is flying. Time's flying when you're having a good time. Here for a good time, not a long time. We don't have much time left. I'll probably be here for another 20-30 minutes, and your boys got to go and get ready. Y'all hear Jake fucking Jake Paul? I think Mike Perry gonna be fighting Jake Paul. Man, that'd be nice to see Mike Perry deliver his undoing. We would definitely be there ringside. You definitely will see me on TV on that one. I don't think Nate's gonna take a fight with Jake. I think Jake beats Nate. Nate's I mean, it's already been bad enough for the sport that he's taken and like beaten, quote unquote, all these old dudes. I don't think the Diaz would really want that blemish on them. They have money, you know. I don't think Nate's gonna take that fight. And you know, Jake Paul has a problem with people showing up to fight. People don't show up to his fight. Platinum Mike Perry show up to every motherfucking fight. What indicator am I using? My indicators, man. Market cipher, bro. It's all my shit. The dual band strength index. All this shit. All that shit. And all this too. Is Binance going to zero? What's BNB doing? Let's do. Ooh. Damn. Oh. What? Damn. We might need to buy some of this. Here, token. Man, we might have to get in on damn, this looks good. We might have to buy this shit. Worst case, damn, 20%. Yeah. Yeah, this looks pretty good. I would long BNB, but that's just me. I might long some of this shit. Yeah. Alright, folks, listen. It's been a good time. We freshly entered the trade. You know, like $10 from the price on stream. We're gonna be in this one, I'm pretty sure, for probably a week. I gotta get ready to be on around the blockchain in an hour. So, you know, we always have a good time on that shit. Other than that, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Wish me luck. Hopefully we knock this one out of the fucking park. And if we don't, who gives a fuck on our journey from 130,000 to $1 million? Trade them up. Trade them up. Thank you. May Jesus bless you. And I'll see you when I see you. God bless. Shout out to Platinum Mike Perry, my motherfucking homie. Peace.